Hello guys, you're welcome to another edition of Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Wow, it's really good to talk to you again today. Alright, in a quick one, yeah, I just want you guys to understand that I love you all. If you today is your first time you're coming to the channel, please subscribe, like, and copy the link to share to others as well. And if you're a returning subscriber, I said a very big thank you and welcome all. I appreciate you all. Okay, in a quick one, yeah. Don't forget that we ship everywhere, alright? You want your items to be brought to you in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, Asia country, all the Africa country as well, wherever you want your items to be shipped to you, we ship everywhere, alright? And we have our own product as well. We have in regards of yellow CC lotion, yellow CC face cream, yellow CC face cleanser, and all those one Irish lady white. We have a lot of product as well also. Okay, but today a message, somebody DM me that they want me to talk about fungicide, natural light. This, you all know this. I've talked about it. I've done a video on this before, so I want to quick talk about this again once more. A lot of people, they don't know what this is being used for. They don't know what it's being used for. In as much we try to bleach our skin, we try to look good, we try to look, kinky for our men or for our wives or for whoever we want to look good for, right? Be proud of your skin, alright? Be proud of your skin. There's something they call skin violation. Don't violate your skin, please. Cancer is real. Skin cancer is real. Please be very careful in the way you use all these bleaching items. Alright? And you all know what this is being used for. When I saw a video, I told you about a video. I'm gonna put the picture in there. I pray God YouTube don't reject the video, because the truth is, when you upload a content that is not yours, it's against the rules of YouTube. So I might just want to snap it, and I snap it, then I just put the video in there for you. When a lady actually used this to bleach, to peel someone's skin, that they trying to do a beauty what the God's name do you have to use this to peel someone's skin? That you will just try to make a beauty what? So it's really weird. That is why I said no. When the lady asked me, can you use this to bleach yourself? I said, what do you mean by bleach yourself? I know where she's going. Can you just maybe try to, I said, try to do what? I just try to look, say, and he said, can you use it to peel yourself? It's very dangerous, bro. Says whoever watching me right now, it's very dangerous. You say this. This is, for some little extent. How do I mean when I mean little? For some little extent, just to take death out of your skin. Yes. Like for knuckles. And how do you use it? So let's go. How do you use it? You put it in warm water. I didn't say hot water. Warm water. And then you dip your legs or your hands or whatever you have to knuckle for 5 minutes or 3 minutes, or let's say at most 10 minutes. And then after that, you take whatever you want to use to clean the dirt off, or what you just do, you scrape after 10 minutes, just gradually you scrape it. Where we have the knuckle, you can even use cotton wool without even doing all that. Use cotton wool to dip inside it or warm water and clean where you have those knuckles. With your elbow, your nails, you clean. Alright, just warm water. And basically, these people doing pedicure, like they use this a lot. And as I said, you will feel that this thing when you put your legs or whatever part of your body you put in it, you'll be feeling this thing that kind of it's not like it's inching you, not it's not tinkling, like it's inching, like something's biting you a bit. Are you getting your sense of be feeling this all this sense, you'll be feeling this sensation like something biting you bit by bit. Yes, you see, that's what you'll be feeling from this. And then, so after 5 to 10 minutes, you pull off the part of the body, but then you scrape it out. That is hard to use. And it's not all the time you'll be using it, because by the time you keep using it, you see that you'll peel your skin. And then just imagine when you peel your skin, you don't even know the infection you're gonna get from that. And you take like, just take this for example. When you got yourself caught, when you injure yourself, what happened? Like you peel this first layer out, second layer, what happens? Injury. That is injury. So like when you use this, often you got yourself injured. It will become a wound. It's no longer a bleaching. Please, for Christ's sake, for crying out loud, that becomes a wound. It's no longer a bleaching. So now you no longer the wound got to heal, right? So when the wound healed, what happened next again? The place get dark, more darker. It become a big scar, right? So the video I was telling you, a lady used this to peel someone's skin, peel the first and the second layer out that you're doing bleaching. Who knows if that woman, she's still alive? And if she's still alive, even how will she be feeling right now? Oh, you want to tell me you keep no? That body will heal. That body will heal back. You take it will heal back, and you get darker. And then for there, you think, oh, your knuckle becomes stronger. So please, how to use it? I've told you how to use it. Once again, let me run through it quickly. It's just a warm water. You put about half a feet on, like 2 spoons or 3 spoons, or if you put all whatever you put, but it's just warm water, and stay put for just 10 minutes. Put your legs or your knuckle part for 10 minutes, and after that, then you take it off and then you scrape. It's just to remove dirt, and like sensitive dirt where they go into your body. You remove them, then you feel this slippery thing. You rinse your part of your body where you scrape, then it becomes clean. It becomes, yes, fervent clean. All right, yes. Do you feel Latin? Like, yes, even your knuckle, like as I said, you use it. Basically, you can use it for knuckle as well. So please, that is how to use it. Don't cook hot water. Don't cook water and pour this inside it and get yourself peeled like that lady. She will say, yeah, this is December time. You can see. Oh no, see what? See that you're killing somebody? And I'm like, if we say let's find that lady now, you see some complaints, some claws will be there now. So alright guys, I've told you, so that is how to use it. That is how to use it. That is how to use it. Okay? So don't get yourself killed. So we've come to the end of the review. Don't forget, I will be coming up with another nice video. Any minute from now, I will be coming up to tell you how to use hibiscus flower to make your face cleanser. I mean, that is a sharp one. That is a very nice one too. Okay, so that is that in a quick one. I've told you how to use that. So until I come your way next time, stay put on this channel. Don't go nowhere. I love you all.